Hi guys, Minnie with Tidy Sticky Mama here, and guess where we're going today? Oh, look, Mickey. Oh, it's super cute. Look how cute these are. Oh, and then they have little ones. Awesome. And of course, for shopping, you need some shopping fuel. I love these things so much. I'm always amazed at the amount of branded stuff that you can find at the Dollar Tree. Back at home now. There were some really cute things in store. Though the first store I went to was kind of picked over from the week, but I did notice that they were unloading a truck and getting the boxes out onto the floor, which I made a note of. Always good to know when your Dollar Tree unloads the shipments, because then you know when to go in and get the good stuff. The first store was the Dollar Tree I usually hit. It's between my kids' school and home, and it's open early, so it makes it super convenient to dash in real quick after drop off, or to kill some time if I'm waiting for something else to open up at 9 o'clock and I don't want to go home between dropping the kids off and running errands. Little embarrassed about how much of this was an impulse buy. But it's all got a use in mind, so as long as it has a purpose, it doesn't just become straight clutter, I'm good, right? Right? You heard me say first store, right? Yeah. I actually went to 2 different Dollar Trees looking for stuff for a project I'm hoping to do this weekend. But I came home with more. I mean, really, how often do you leave the Dollar Tree with only what you came for? So let's see what made it home this time. To exactly no one's surprise, I got bins. The white ones I got in an effort to help me organize my freezer, and these were just cute. Really excited to see these big square stackable bins though. I love them and hardly ever see them in stores. And these are just such cute colors. I mean, look at that. How nice is that? But that was totally worth the trip by itself just to find those big square stackable ones. So cool. Some great finds in the teacher section that I'm sure more of us are going to find ourselves shopping in come this fall. And spotted these Eric Carle alphabet activity books featuring my preschooler's favorite little bug friend, and these little caddies. How cute is that? I am loving the softer colors in these. Very cool. Scattered around the store, I found a few fun things for the kids. I don't know any kids that don't love glow sticks. Glow sticks are one of my favorite Dollar Tree buys for them. They have multi-packs in a variety of colors, shapes, and sizes. So they're a good buy year-round. I usually get them a few times a year, but especially 4th of July and Halloween are my favorite times to grab a bunch of these. These cute things are sold as table scatter, but I saw them and I immediately thought craft projects. They're really nice little foam pieces. You know, it's not like paper confetti or something. It's actually pretty good foam, so I'm sure they'll love just gluing them to random stuff. So we're gonna have some fun with these. At the second store, I also got each kid a balloon, and I don't have shots of those, but you should really check out the Dollar Tree's balloon selection. One of the best kept secrets of the Dollar Tree is the fact that you can get an 18-inch helium-filled Mylar balloon for $1. And they're pretty quality balloons. Each one usually tends to last us about a week, barring any, body slamming or anything crazy. I get them all the time for my kids' birthdays, and since it's only $1, every once in a while just as a special treat. But okay, where are my 90s girls at? Because this, I swear, was just as much for me as the kids, if not more. Lisa Frank stickers in all their rainbow glory. Not gonna lie, a lot of these are gonna go in my planner. Speaking of which, their washi tape selection is actually really good. It's gotten better over the years, and I found 2 packs of skinny tape that had to come home with me. More practically, toothbrushes. I like getting toothbrushes at the Dollar Tree. Why? Because this was 50 cents per brush. Okay? They come in larger multi-packs if you like, but they tend to just be like the soft bristles, at least at my store, and I'm not as much of a fan, so I'll go ahead and spring for the 2-pack of medium instead of the 6-pack of soft. But if you're nervous about the quality, I've never had a problem with Dollar Tree toothbrushes, ever. But if you are nervous about the quality, you can go ahead and spend the extra money to put out a whole dollar on a brand name toothbrush if you want. I read the back of it and it's kind of hilarious. It says contemporary design to reflect your lifestyle. Okay, because that's what I care about when I'm buying a toothbrush. I want it to brush my teeth, not be decorative. And this stuff, Armor All Protect and Cleaning Spray, really, really good in the car. And the compact bottle makes it easy to stuff in the glove box or wherever, so you actually use it. These Yardley soaps, though, have got to be my find of the day. Usually, if I can find them around here, they're at least twice the price. These and the Dove Unscented Baby Bar are the only bar soaps I can use without itching like crazy. My skin is stupid sensitive to just random things, and I hate it. And these are also cruelty-free. Not usually something you find at a dollar store. And they smell so good. Like, I've been low-key like inhaling these while I'm filming this because they smell so good. Even the charcoal one, it doesn't have that weird like charcoal smell. It just smells so good. And I saw all this cool stuff in store, but resisted the urge to bring it all home this time. Check it out. There's actually a lot of cool stuff in the summer section here. Oh. These look great for lunch boxes. Oh wow! I haven't seen these before. That's actual glass. They have little ones. Those are gonna be some great DIYs. How fun is that? Finger pencil. That's really cute. That would even be really adorable with like a little baby succulent in it. So look at these. They're like little tiny woods. How cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to let me know down in the comments below what your favorite Dollar Tree find is, and subscribe so that you can actually see what I do with all of this stuff. Bye guys. See you next time. What is that? Store, I found a fun. What is that? Also find a lot of cute washi tapes. I think that one's gonna have to come home with me. And then, I don't know, is that still mint? Seafoam? Something like that.